house. I wanted to do a tour for you guys today, and I think that this is probably the best time of the year to do it since we are fully decked out. I think we have a total of 5 Christmas trees. So if you haven't seen this one yet, our elf tree, which I did a full decorate with me, it's a 2-part, including the hall to get everything. I've got my little gnomes on the side that match the skirt of the tree, and then some littler gnomes, and then my Mickey lamp post. By the way, I will link everything that I possibly can in the description below. So let's do the living room first, and we'll go room by room. So right now I've got some YouTube Christmas jazz going. This is how we live our life, by the way. This is just a very normal day here at the Bellemare household. Fireplace is off right now, but we've got like all the little elves on here, and I put up a little garland with a ton of fairy lights and some gingerbread men. These stockings are so cool and so whimsical. My mom got them for me, and I have never been able to find them since, so that will be one thing that is not linked. We have a couple of gifts that are wrapped. The little bag one is for Carl. The pillow that is like a Christmas ball is from Michael's. That Mickey tree topper there, I didn't use them as a tree topper, I just used them as a decoration. So cute. Floor pillow with all the candy canes on it. I actually use that a ton. And then the little elf slippers, which is probably going to be in today or tomorrow's Instagram post. And then this is my main tree, which is the Candyland Christmas tree, the OG. There's a lot of Disney touches in here, so some little Disney ornaments, little Mickeys, some peppermint twisties, and then a new tree topper at the top. So same thing, I have a full video on this one as well. I'll probably have a video for every single tree since you guys ask about it. And then our village, which is so cool and has a couple little Disney touches also. A lot of the pieces are from Limax. I will say though, to not run and go get Limax, because the little right side of the village is out of business because 2 of them won't work. And then the one in the middle actually lights up, but he's a little bit loud. I'm gonna turn him on though because he's pretty. So cute, right? And there's actually like little gifts that can go around on a magnet. It just gets a little bit out of control and gets kind of loud. And this had a little bit of a Disney vibe to it. So cute. And we have another one being delivered today. Over here, I actually want to mention this. I have a bunch of Squishmallows that I discovered last year and I love them. Carl loves them too. And I have a couple more upstairs and some smaller one. That pillow is from Michael's. And then I will share this part of the decorations. Carl's just in a mood right now. Carl, why are you sleeping at the edge of your bed, bug? This is Carl's little spot. This is Carl Bellemare. You guys can follow him on Instagram. He's a piece of work. So couch, coffee table, a lot is from Restoration Hardware. The couch is custom. These 2 pieces are from Artemano. I'll try and remember where everything's from. This console is super cute, and I love it at Christmas because of the giant pine cone. And then I added these little like whimsical looking kind of twigs that are sticking out of it. And then this is probably one of my favorite Christmas pieces that we have. I will actually link it for you guys. It was a gift from my mom and my dad, and it is so beautiful, and there's so many Disney details on it. It's incredible, and that's Mickey as Santa on the top there. Pretty incredible. And then I put a couple martini glasses down there with some Christmas balls in them and some flameless candles. And then the bar cart is completely done up. So I did a full decorate with me, which will be up soon. I filmed it already, so I did like a time lapse of me decorating and trying to figure all this out, but I've got some elves on here, some Christmas martini glasses. This was part of a home goods haul if you guys saw that. Some candles, some Ray Dunn stuff. And that's where that Claus & Co. thing ended up, and this is my new elf. So then, dining room table, not much decorated here yet. I do have a table runner for there, which I'm going to probably take that out today, actually. And then I've got 2 Mickey topiaries, one over there, and then one over here. And coming into the kitchen, I have the Ray Dunn, I guess you would call this like a cake stand. It says 'Tis the Season under there. And then I've got my Christmas shop, which is a Disney Candle Co. candle. And then my little Mickey ramekin and some mugs filled with candy. That's my coffee mug from this morning. And then I've done this for a little while now. I fill this jar with candy garland, and there's some fairy lights all in there, all tangled in there. And then we've got our real Christmas tree outside. He's not lit up right now. He was just lit up because it's been so dark out today. It's like rainy and gloomy. And then here I have my coffee tray. There's missing a mug like right here because I used it this morning. And then this is like my little coffee area with our Nespresso coffee machine, which I'm obsessed with. And then I've got my little sign up there, Mrs. Claus Cookie Coach. I thought was super cute. And then all these little candy candle holders. And then the big candle holders up there. Oh, and I wanted to share this. I love this. I wanted a tea for one little set, so I found a Santa one. All right, so this is Andre's coffee section. He prefers a Keurig, so we put his stuff here. He's got a little Believe in Your Elf mug, and then our mug from the beach club, which was actually a behind the scenes vlog moment. So if you're not following me on Angie Bellemare vlogs, go check it out. I'm on Instagram on Angie Bellemare and Angie Bellemare vlogs, but that was a whole situation. He is from the Disney store from last year. I think they have a similar one this year. And then my other coffee tray with some more Ray Dunn stuff. And I did a full decorate with me for this as well that you'll be seeing soon. That was super cute. So this is pretty much the entire main floor. I'm going to take you into my office and the powder room as well. Just got a parcel, so there might be some village pieces in that. This is our little restoration hardware tree. This was our first Christmas tree in our condo. Let's make sure that no one's out here before I open the door so Carl doesn't lose his mind. I'm going to show you guys the exterior decorations. Even though it's freezing, I'm sacrificing myself right now. So I've got this little candle lantern, and I got these little farm fresh tree canisters. And we put some real little baby Christmas trees in there. And some berries. Everything's real, which was so cute. And then this all lights up as well with some exterior fairy lights. All right, back inside because it is freezing. Carl's here. Carl's here. You excited? So this is just front entrance closet. I put like a little bell detail in there. And this is what we did for the little powder room. So I got these at Home Goods. They're like a snowy type of rose and everything is covered in snow. So cute, and I love that. And then I got these in a set of 3, so cheer, merry, and joy. And I wasn't sure what to put in them. I was gonna do a poinsettia, but I don't feel like that's very me. This was way more me, so I used those same little whimsical branches that I got from Michael's, and then some candy canes and a couple pine cones. Then my brother made me this. And then I've got the winter soap from Bath and Body Works. And I always do like a cute little napkin for guests. And then this is my office. So this is the white Christmas tree. I love this tree. So I put a couple little details down here, some rose gold stuff in a little sled. And there's some little fairy lights in here that have some glass little, I guess, stars or snowflakes on them. Everything is very white, very shiny, and some rose gold thrown into it. So it's kind of like a winter wonderland white tree, and I love these pine cones too. If you guys saw my Home Goods haul, you saw me getting these for it. And then I've got, of course, a little elf on a ladder. Do you need to? So yeah, I filmed a full decorate with me for this as well, so I can show you guys how I did it and where I got everything from. And then my little Mickey peppermint, he's scented, he's amazing. And then another squishmallow. And then on my shelves, I put a little bit of Christmas decorations, like mostly my extra elves, if I'm being honest. Oh my God, the saddest thing happened yesterday. He lost his antlers. So he's supposed to look like him. I'm gonna glue them back on. The other one is here, some elves on the shelves, some Mickey and Minnies. And then I've got some of my wishable pieces up there, another elf. And then back here, so this is where I work. So I have my computer and all my setup and everything. This is Andre's Christmas gifts that I'm hiding from him. So Andre, don't look at this. And then I've got some bags, there's gifts in there being hid as well. And I actually bought these, I'm gonna use these today. I bought red Post-it notes to plan out the videos for this month, which needs to happen ASAP-aroo. All right, let's keep going. I'll take you guys downstairs and then upstairs. All right, so this is the gym. I decided to put this was a new purchase last year. This was my new tree. And last year it was where that big elf tree is. So I thought it'd be cute down here to have like a little country type of moment. I love this tree. It's from Michael's. It was super reasonable too. And I bought this year to go with this little set. It's like a little furry Minnie Mouse with the plaid. If you guys know me, you know I love the plaid. And then this glittery like log set, which is so cute. Carl wants to go outside. He's probably gonna scratch at the door. And then I did like a little moment here, like a little plaid pillow. and that's like a little storage bin. And I've got my popcorn bucket from last year from Disney. I think this year's is the same, but he has plaid on him. Go figure. So I was just down here doing a workout for my morning routine video, which you guys will probably have seen by now. It's going to be a good day in the very Merry Christmas party. So this is our gym. I have a full gym tour. I can do another one, like an updated one. We've kind of rearranged stuff, but we kind of planned this all out. Yes, that's me that left those weights there. Andre's going to kill me. So this is our Peloton bike. I've got like a little sound system down here. This is the storage that I shared as to like all the secrets of the rooms that I've never shared. And this is our extra basement washroom. So there's a shower, and then I've got some little details on the shelves. I love this soap, by the way. I don't know what these are. Mitchell Design Works. They're all amazing. They're so, like, they're a bit expensive, but they're beautiful. Got like campfire donut candle up there, and this little box detail. Nothing crazy, and then like a little light there. I'll close the lights behind me like a good girl. Another storage room here. And this is kind of where we come in and like hang our coats and everything. So I put a little candle holder, Merry Christmas, in a little box here. There isn't really anything crazy. I feel like this little bench could use a pillow though. Yes, we will do that. So this is downstairs, and then out there we have like a screened-in porch, basically. We call it a 3-season room. It's really a 1-season room. And the pool's all covered and sad out there. I feel like it'd be a good spot for a Christmas tree. All right, now we go upstairs, and there's more trees upstairs. More decorations and more trees. So we also decorate our back balcony. You can see the pine needles all set up. It's all real also. And we do like our full railing outside to the front steps. Come on, Carl. Oh, this is important. So I do the whole banister in like this icicle type of garland, and then a regular garland that has a bit of snow on it. I put the whole thing in lights all the way down the railing, and then that's what plugs into the tree. But I wire in all of these elves, so they're all with like the green wire holding them in, and it kind of looks like they're sliding down. I'm missing one for right here, and he's probably being delivered today. I love this one. So they're not going anywhere, they're all wired in. And then I just kind of hung the lights over the painting here, the artwork, so that it wouldn't touch this, and then it plugs in right here. And then that, I'll talk to you guys about that after. Everything is on a remote. This is Andre's room. He's working. So this is his artwork. Your room is always the fastest tour because it's not that exciting. He has like a gamer / office / man cave. I made that, by the way. That's the most important part of your office. Okay, bye. This is the filming room. So this is where I film some of my YouTube videos, my podcast. I kind of rearranged things a little bit in here just to fit the egg chair, the swing chair, because this is usually where the Christmas tree is. That's where this is. So I put some lights on it. I just got ready right here. So I've got my little mirror that I painted black so everything matches. My neon sign and all. It's a cozy little room. I love this room. I'm able to just turn on the camera and film, which I love. So this is Carl's washroom. We're not going to go in there because it's like his little situation, but he goes to the washroom inside. He just uses a little puppy pad. And this is the bedroom. Right there is the laundry room, so super practical. And this bench is not usually here either. This is usually in my office, but I did like a little pink moment with a little squishmallow, which you guys, I found out is for dogs. There's a squeaker in here. You want to see? You want it? Go get it! Go check it out! Go get it! You can have... He thinks that he can't have it because I told him not to touch the other ones. So here I have another scented pillow. This is Minnie Mouse. And then these little printed things that go with this tree. So I have a pink elf to go with the pink candy tree. So same thing. I filmed this one for a Decorate With Me. It's very like Whoville, very candy. It's very Angie. Of course, the pink tree had to go in the bedroom. Poor Andre. It's so cute, right? And then I've got some little wishables in here, and I put all the extra pink balls and everything. Yeah, I'll go through it all with you guys. And then I put the extra decorations in here with another little elf. And then on the bed, I've got a plaid pillow that says Merry Christmas, another Christmas ball. And I've got my Mickey over here, a little quilted Mickey, and I put a Christmas hat on him. Fitting better yesterday. There we go. Some lights from the parks, and then we've got little Let It Snow candle. So this is our bedroom. I've got my, oh my God, there's decorations everywhere. I've got my snowman, snow lady, and a little bow. Carl, you look so focused, bro. My jingle sipper from the parks. Just a couple more candles. You coming? I just got this new bar cart and I love it. I had a different one here before, and I think the last time I filmed, I think it was the last time I was filming either a closet tour or a house tour, it actually collapsed, so I needed one that was more sturdy. Love this. I just don't know what to put on it yet, but I love it. I've got a little bench here, a little poof here. And this is kind of like my skincare area where I get ready at night. My skincare fridge. Yes, you heard me right. I've got my favorite little purse down here, and all my skincare is in here. Shoes. Yes, I realize I have a lot of running shoes. And my little bags of the season. I've got my Mickey bag up there, and then just all of my go-to shirts. See, you guys can see where my plaid shirts are that I always wear on Instagram. And then I've got my other favorite bag here. Carl's following me everywhere right now. And then this is our master. So in here, in terms of Christmas stuff, I have a little cuppy that I got at Disney World. And then I love this little hand towel. I just didn't know what else to do with it, so I just kind of leaned it here. And that's pretty much it for upstairs. I'm going to show you guys that remote thing that I was talking about. It's so cool. I love it. It'll save you so much time. So I actually went a step further and I bought the Alexa plugs. So we'll see how that works out, but I didn't set it up yet. So look at this. So this is the remote that I have, and it'll actually, so this one's number 5. So I'll turn that on, but I'll take it downstairs and I'll show you. And I don't know how, but it'll reach from downstairs. It's way more impressive when you're downstairs and you're shutting down for the night. It makes you feel very powerful. So you can see all the elves coming down the railing. I hope that other one shows up today. Okay. So, number 1 is that tree in the village. Number 2 is the rest of the tree. Number 3 is this tree. Number 4 is that tree. You know what I feel like right now? Harry and Marvin, they're like, number 676 now. And then the lights turn on. If you know what I'm talking about, I feel less crazy. Okay, and then on. And then he takes a second. Yay! And then the other one will turn on too upstairs. It's pretty cool. You can get these on Amazon. And then the other, like all the fairy lights, are on a different remote. And then I've got some little candles going. I just got the Elf Village candle. And then this Mickey and Minnie is from my parents. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's turn on the fire and get cozy together. And that is pretty much it. If you guys aren't following yet on Instagram, make sure that you guys go do that. Make sure you guys go follow along. Give this a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.